We unbox it. Let's best it. I've been so excited to have my hands on this jewel, so let's reveal it. Taking its time. Whoa! Alright, so this is the case. Oh my god, it feels so good. Case, and of course it's heavy. So let's see. Wow. So we have the case. As you can see, the case and Theragun written on it. And before we even touch the case, so in the box you saw how big the box is. Let me put this aside for a little bit. We do have, okay, so I'll come to this, but we have this cardboard. It's cardboard, and as you can tell, this is the Therabody Restream. And in case you didn't already know, Therabody is now the new name of the former Theragun. So that's that. And below it we have, of course, the charger and an extension cord for it. Plug it there and charge, and this one connect to the massage gun. And so I'm not sure what this one is. I'm not sure. Let's see, but I guess we'll find out soon. And this bag is, of course, from the touch, the extra heads. Yes, so they come in this beautiful pouch. This little bag is like, it's fancy. Let's see if you can see from the camera the texture. I mean, not the texture, but the material, and it's really fancy. And of course we have the ball attachment, because this Theragun comes with 6 attachments. So we have the regular thumb, 1 2 3 4 5. So okay, there's supposed to be 6. This is a smaller ball. I presume, I guess the other one is there, but we have this. We have this other head, and the material is actually really good. It's not hard plastic. It's some type of foam, I believe, I would say, but it feels really good. And also, from the feel of it, it feels like it will be easier, very easy to clean. And of course we have the cone attachment, and this one is the, I forgot the name of that, but it's a sponge. It's a sponge in here, and of course yes, a sponge, and here the same material as the other cones, the other attachments, which is that foam like material. So this, let's say, remove cap before using, push down and twist the foam clockwise to secure. So it shows you right here, I don't know if you can see better. Yes, right there, this is the top of the foam attachment. Well, this attachment right here, and it tells you how to use it. So you are supposed to basically press this down and twist clockwise. So these are the head attachments. Now let's move to the gun itself. Whoa. So this is it. This is the Theragun Pro. It is wow. So this was a little, I mean, the case is a little heavy, and of course when we take it out, the battery is missing, and I presume it's on the side because this is pretty heavy. So let's check this out. So of course we do have the two batteries, and here's some documentation, and of course we open that. It's so fancy, and in the documentation we have, yes, as you can see, this is the red version because the original Theragun Pro is blue. So this is the red version, and we have a paper that tells us about it. So because of the light you can see properly there, but that's what the card says. That's Therabody red, and I'm going to read that to you. It's, yes, Therabody red, recover red, product red. I'm reading from this product red. 2% of the purchase price of this product goes towards supporting global health programs with red. And it says your purchase of a product red Theragun device will not only help improve your body's ability to recover, but can also help save life by triggering a donation to support global health programs with red. We honor to be able to support red in their mission of ensuring access to health service to the most vulnerable communities, including those impacted by COVID-19 and living with HIV/AIDS. So that's what red does. The red Theraguns, there is not just this one, the Theragun Pro, the Theragun Prime, I believe it's the Prime, and the Theragun Mini all have this red option. And of course, as written here, some part of the proceeding goes toward helping people living with HIV/AIDS and COVID-19. So then again, we have the among the paperworks, we have the story of the creator of Therabody Theragun, and of course the sticker. Sure if you can see it, but it's a Theragun sticker. Let's see, there we go. But I hope you can see a little bit. Yes, there we go, a little bit. It's a Theragun sticker. Smart, intuitive, personalized, made the Theragun app. So yes, there is a Theragun app, and I mentioned the Theragun app when I did the unboxing and review of the Theragun Mini, which you can find the link of on the card and also in the description below. So then we have, of course, the Theragun, how it works. Well, not how it works, but what to do. We have Theragun step 1, quick tap the center, shows you how to put it to set it on. And of course we get back to it. We have step 1, step 2, and step 3. So it tells you a little bit about these functions right there. And this last one is warning that we need to know about, and of course this is the manual for this Theragun Pro. So this is basically what is in the box. And to come back to this little guy here, earlier I didn't know what it was, but it is a charger, not a charger, for one of these batteries. So the Theragun itself, it's really gorgeous. It's wow. It's pretty, I mean, it's quite heavy, but not too much. It's quite heavy, at least compared to those the previous massage gun that I've had my hands on. So we are actually going to, I'm going to test, but I like, wow, I don't know if you can see the finish right on those edges is different from the rest of the gun itself. Wow. And of course, because this is just an unboxing, this is an unboxing. I just wanted to show you what is in the box. In the next video, I'm going to review the whole thing, but I'm really excited to test it out. I actually want to test it out right now, no joke. But yes, this was just an unboxing of the Theragun. In an upcoming video, I'm going to give you a review of the gun itself, how it works, and also I'm going to show you some application working this on myself, and to give you a little bit of overview as to how it operates, and also let you know about how it feels. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next video.